Hi, it's Lee Shong here at Subaru of Puyallup. Just wanted to introduce you to the 2014 Crosstrek car of the month of August. This is a premium tangerine orange. It has the black cloth interior, just roof rails here. Comes equipped with the moonroof. We're going to take a look inside. Also has the heated seats, heated side mirrors. Also comes with the windshield wiper de-icers. You also have the USB ports inside the center console and the Bluetooth integrated into the steering wheel. Come back here, have a look at the cargo area. Has the rear bumper cover that comes on most of the Crosstrek's added accessory. Cargo tray. And then this one also has the luggage compartment cover. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 253-286-5900 or come on down to 720 River Road, downtown Puyallup.